Welcome back to Global Online University. As you know that a Global Online University has come up with the mock test series for the paper 1. So what you are waiting for? Join with us and clear your exam with us. Here are the rules of the test. Pause the video. When the question appear on the slide, try to answer the question. There is no negative marking and there is 2 marks for each correct answer. Write your score in comment box. If you are getting 80 marks or above 80, that means you are doing very well job and it is outstanding. If you are getting 60 or above 60, that means you are doing good job. If you are getting 40 or below 40, that means you are on average and you have to prepare more. Your score will help us to understand the difficulty level of our test. If you are getting more than 80, then we will increase the difficulty level of our test. The Global Online University come up with the complete course for the paper 1, in which you will get the 60 full test series, full syllabus notes, including the video lecture. You will get all these things on the Global Online University app. You can also contact us on below given number. Heuristic approach is based on rote memorization, homework, spirit of inquiry and none of above. The correct answer is option number C, spirit of inquiry. Heuristic are a problem-solving method that uses shortcut to produce good enough solution given a limited time framework or deadline. Heuristic are flexibility technique for quick decision, particularly when working with complex data. Decision made using heuristic approach may not be necessarily be optimal. Instruction medium affect the absence and escape from the class teaching. And options are agreed, indefinite, disagreed and none of above. The correct answer for this question is option number A, agreed. Here is the explanation for the same. A medium of instruction is a language used in teaching. It may or may not be official language of the country. If the first language of the student is different from the official language, it may be used as a medium of instruction or a part or all the schooling. टीचर विजुअल एड का यूज लर्निंग में क्यों करता है एंड ऑप्शंस आर इंटरेस्टिंग, पैसिव, क्विकर एंड कॉम्प्लेक्स. टीचर विजुअल एड का यूज करता है टू मेक अ लर्निंग मोर इंटरेस्टिंग. Visual communication is the conveys idea and information in form that can be seen. Visual communication is a part or whole relies on eyesight. One of the most popular form of drill and practice is, and options are questioning, direct instruction, experimental instruction and none of the above. The correct answer for this question is option number B, direct instruction. Here is the explanation for the same. Direct instruction is where teacher use explicit teaching technique to teach a specific skill to their student. This type of instruction is teacher directed, where teacher typically stand at the front of the room and present information. For a teacher teaching a class with a large strength, which of the technique is best? Options are debate, discussion and practicals, group work with lecture, lecture and class notes, self-study and asking question. The correct answer for this question is option number C, lecture and class notes. Some advantages of lecture include greater teacher control in the classroom and facilitate large class communication. Talking and indiscipline in the classroom is an indication of indisciplined students, boredom caused by repetitiveness, confusion about things taught, not summarizing lecture points. The correct answer will be confusion about the things taught. Discipline is providing an environment in which positive teaching and positive learning can occur simultaneously. अगर क्लास में दोनों बॉयज और गर्ल्स मिक्स है तो आप कौन सी मेथड्स अडॉप्ट करेंगे टू इम्प्रूव कोऑपरेशन बिटवीन देम? एंड ऑप्शंस आर आस्किंग पेरेंट्स टू डिस्कस इक्वलिटी, making boys and girls share a bench, sitting tasks which have to be done together, talking about equality in lesson. The correct answer will be sitting tasks which have to be done together. Here is the explanation for the same. Mixed gender pair help the participant develop interpersonal skills, confidence, communication and assertiveness. It also improves the level of motivation and improve the quality of learning. इसमें से कौन सा सब्जेक्ट रोल ऑफ मैन इन चेंजिंग हिज एनवायरनमेंट को अंडरस्टैंड करने में हेल्प करता है? एंड ऑप्शंस आर बायोलॉजी, ज्योग्राफी, हिस्ट्री एंड पॉलिटिकल साइंस. इस क्वेश्चन का करेक्ट आंसर है ऑप्शन नंबर बी. Geography explains how the process of human and physical system have arranged and sometimes changed the surface of the earth. What is the use of textbook in the class? And options are to achieve learning objective, to demeld what is to be taught, to explain idea and concept, set new standards. The correct answer of this question is option number A, to achieve learning objectives. Learning objective put the focus on the students and learning. For homework to be effective in accomplishing its purpose, which of the following suggestions for teacher is correct? And options are do give homework as punishment, make up spur of the moment homework assignment for student practice, do not accept students to always have their homework assignment completed, do not listen to what students say about their experience in completing homework or assignment. The correct answer will be do not accept students to always have their homework assignment completed. The purpose of National Education Policy is, and options are universalization of primary education, vocationalization of education, to review the education, to give equal opportunity of education to all. The purpose of National Education Policy is to review the education. अगर एक स्टूडेंट सेम टेस्ट को ट्वाइस ले तो उसे क्या कहते हैं? एंड ऑप्शंस आर पोस्ट टेस्ट, प्री टेस्ट, टेस्ट, रीटेस्ट, आफ्टर टेस्ट. The correct answer of this question is option number C, test, retest. Test, retest reliability measures test consistency. The reliability of a test measure over time. In other words, give the same test twice is the same people at different time to see if the score are the same. For example, test on Monday, then again the following Monday. At the end of the course study, कौन से टाइप का evaluation carried किया जाता है? And options are summative, assessment, formative, both A and B. The correct answer of this question is option number A. Summative assessment, summative evaluation or assessment of learning refer to the assessment of participant where the focus is on the outcome of the program. This contrasts with formative assessment which summarize the participant development at the particular time. The success of integrated education depend on. Options are the support of community, the excellence of textbooks, the highest quality of teaching learning material, the attitudinal change in teacher. The correct answer of this question is option number D, the attitudinal changes in teacher. Students can be classified into 4 types on the basis of their learning. Which one of the following seek meaning and reasoning to the learning? And options are innovative learner, analytical learner, common sense learner and dynamic learner. The correct answer of this question is option number B, analytical learner. Analytic learners are primarily interested in acquiring new and accurate facts that lead to their understanding of concept and process. They learn by thinking through their experience, judging the accuracy of what they encounter and examining details. A heavy emphasis on measurable outcome lead to, and options are rote learning, memorization, both A and B and none of the above. A heavy emphasis on measurable outcomes lead to both A and B, that is rote learning and memorization. An individual awareness of his or her own memory process and a way in which storage and retrieval of information can be enhanced is termed as. And options are semantic memory, episodic memory, procedural memory, and meta-memory. An individual awareness of his or her own memory process and a way in which storage and retrieval of information can be enhanced is termed as meta-memory. Meta-memory refers to any judgment that is made about the memory. This includes feeling of knowing judgment, judgment about the tip of tongue state, confidence judgment about memory and judgment of learning, as well as a source judgment and remember known judgments. Which theory of learning has found that knowledge of internal process is crucial to the understanding of learning. And options are cognitive theory, stimulus response theory, operant conditioning theory, classical conditioning theory. The correct answer of this question is option number A, cognitive theory. Cognitive development is the comprehensive theory about the nature and development of human intelligence. It was first created by the Swiss developmental psychologist Jean Piaget. The theory deals with the nature of knowledge itself and how humans gradually come to acquire, construct and use it. थ्रू इवेल्युएशन ऑफ स्टूडेंट का इसमें से कौन से मेथड से पॉसिबल है? एंड ऑप्शंस आर इवेल्युएशन एट द एंड ऑफ द कोर्स, इवेल्युएशन ट्वाइस इन अ ईयर, कंटिन्यूअस इवेल्युएशन एंड फॉर्मेटिव इवेल्युएशन. The correct answer of this question is option number C, continuous evaluation. Continuous assessment is a form of educational examination that evaluates a student progress throughout the prescribed course. Students का academic performance improve किया जा सकता है if parents are encouraged to supervise the work of their ward, arrange the extra tuition, remain unconcerned about it, interact with the teachers frequently. The correct answer of this question is option number D, interact with the teachers frequently. Parents have to interact with the teachers about the performance of their children. This will help to improve the students' academic performance. If a parent approaches the teacher to do some favor to his or her ward in the examination, the teacher should, and options are, try to help him, ask him not to talk in those terms, refuse politely and firmly, ask him rudely to go away. If a parent approaches the teacher to do some favor to his or her ward in the examination, the teacher should refuse politely and firmly. The teacher is not allowed to do some favor in the examination. Teacher placement evaluation का use क्यों करता है? And options are, find out what knowledge and skills students have mastered, discover the cause of students' learning or behavioral problem, both A and B, and none of the above. The correct answer of this question is option number A, find out what knowledge and skills students have mastered. Placement evaluation means an interview and evaluation of a person with a developmental disability and review of the person's prior medical and program historic to determine the appropriate developmental disability program and service for the person. The most important indicator of quality of education in the educational institution is, options are, infrastructure facility of the school, classroom system, textbook and teaching learning material, students' achievement level. The correct answer of this question is option number D, students' achievement level. Students' achievement level is a very important indicator of quality of education because it shows the how effective teaching of that institution is. Which component might be included in the lesson plan? And options are, development or outline of the lesson, varied material and media to supplement and clarify content, specific objective of the lesson, and all of the above. The correct answer of this question is option number A, development or outline of the lesson. Here is the explanation for the same. A lesson plan is the teacher's daily guide for what students need to learn. how it will be taught and how learning will be measured. Lesson plan help teacher to be more effective in the classroom by providing a detailed outline to flow each class period. Which of the following is true of whole group instruction? Permit students to progress at their own, convenient for teaching the same skill or content to the entire class, give the teacher a chance to introduce new skill at the level suited to particular students, and all of the above. The correct answer is option number B, convenient for teaching the same skill or content to the entire class. Whole group instruction is a direct instruction using traditional textbook or supplement material with minimal differentiation in either content or assessment. इसमें से कौन सा स्टेटमेंट करेक्ट है अबाउट प्रोजेक्ट एज अ लर्निंग एक्टिविटी? एंड ऑप्शंस आर इट इज अ पर्पसफुल एक्टिविटी, इट इज अ proceed in social environment, it is accomplished in real life situation, it is teacher center activity. The correct answer of this question is option number C, it is accomplished in real life situation. Project based learning is a student centered methodology that involves a dynamic classroom approach in which it is a belief that students acquire a deeper knowledge through an active exposure of real world challenges and problems. Which of the following is an independent variable in teaching learning process? And options are teacher, students, institution and parents. Teacher is an independent variable in the teaching learning process. An independent variable is the variable in which selected in order to demonstrate its relation with the observational phenomena occurring in the test procedure. इसमें से कौन सा फैक्टर इंपॉर्टेंट है इन द बिगिनिंग ऑफ टीचिंग करियर? ऑप्शंस आर meritorious academic record, communication skill, one's personality and ability to relate to the class and the students, and organizing ability. One's personality and ability to relate to the class and the students is the single most important factor in the beginning of teaching career. Effective teaching by and large is a function of, and options are maintaining discipline in the class, teacher honesty, teachers making students learn and understand, teachers liking for the job of teaching. Effective teaching by and large is a function of teachers making students learn and understand. Here is the explanation for the same. Effective teachers strive to motivate and engage all their students in learning rather than simply accepting that some students cannot be engaged and are destined to do poorly. They believe every student is capable of achieving success at school and they all do they can to find way of making each student successful. इसमें से इफेक्टिव टीचिंग में क्या इंक्लूड होता है? एंड ऑप्शंस आर टीचर इज एक्टिव बट स्टूडेंट्स मे और मे नॉट बी एक्टिव, टीचर मे बी एक्टिव और इनएक्टिव बट स्टूडेंट्स आर एक्टिव, टीचर इज एक्टिव एंड स्टूडेंट्स आर एक्टिव, एंड ऑल ऑफ द अबव. इफेक्टिव टीचिंग इंक्लूड्स टीचर इज एक्टिव एंड स्टूडेंट्स आर एक्टिव. एक्सप्लेनेशन. Effective teaching involves acquiring relevant knowledge about students and using that knowledge to inform our course design and classroom teaching. When we teach, we do not just teach a content, we teach students the content. The variety of students' characteristics can affect learning. Curriculum का मतलब क्या है? And options are the subject of the study offered by the education institution, organize whole of learning and other experience provided by education institution to realize said goal, the prescribed syllabus in the various subject plus practical course and project dissertation, theory and practical course to be completed to qualify for the level of education. The correct answer of this question is option number B, organize whole of learning and other experience provided by the educational institution to realize said goal. The term curriculum refers to the lesson and academic content taught in the school and in a specific course or a program. The curriculum, for example, will be a specific learning standards, lesson, assignment and material used to be organized or teach a particular course. इसमें से कौन सा स्टेटमेंट गलत है? एंड ऑप्शंस आर Teaching and instruction are the same concept. There is a difference between teaching and learning. Education is a wider term than teaching, training, research, etc. and all of the above are true. The correct answer of this question is option number A. Teaching and instruction are the same concepts. The subtle difference between teach and instruct is that you can teach almost everything, concept, idea, theory, or say history. When you instruct someone, you are giving them a set of tools or a task to do something specific. Which domain is concerned with physical and motor skills? And options are cognitive domain, affective domain, psychomotor domain, and none of the above. The correct answer of this question is option number C, psychomotor domain. The psychomotor domain includes physical movement, coordination, and use of motor skill area. Development of this skill require practice and is a measure in terms of speed, distance, procedure or technique in execution. इसमें से कौन सा डे एज अ नेशनल एजुकेशन डे सेलिब्रेट किया जाता है? एंड ऑप्शंस आर 5 सितंबर, 2 अक्टूबर, 11 November and 14 November. The correct answer of this question is option number C, 11 November. National Education Day is an annual observance in India to commemorate the birth anniversary of Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad, the first education minister of independent India, who served for 15 August 1947 until 2 February 1958. National Education Day of India is celebrated on 11th November every year. The Socratic method is known as, and options are lecture demonstration method, discussion method, inquiry method, question answer method. The correct answer of this question is option number D, question answer method. Question answer teaching strategy is an old strategy also known as Socratic method of teaching. It was developed by the famous philosopher Socrates. According to the Parquet, the question is the key to all the educative activity above a habit skill level. इसमें से कौन सा ऑब्जेक्टिव नहीं है ड्रामा और रोल का? एंड ऑप्शंस आर रिक्रिएशन एंड एंजॉयमेंट, डेवलपमेंट ऑफ सोशल स्किल, डेवलपमेंट ऑफ स्किल ऑफ convergence, do make rehearsals. The correct answer of this question is option number D, do make rehearsals. Role play is a technique that allows students to explore realistic situations by interacting with other people in the managed way in order to develop experience and try different strategies in the support environment. Student का role किसमें active होता है? And options are discover method, problem solve method, inquiry method and all of the above. The correct answer for this question is option number D, all of the above. Field trip क्यों arrange करते हैं? And options are making an excursion, see other people doing things, note the meaning of action and all of the above. The correct answer for this question is option number D, all of the above. Here is the explanation for the same. Field trips are rich in educational possibilities as students learn from actual hand-on experience rather than by simply reading or hearing about something. Involvement in real-world experience make a learning more meaningful and memorable comparing to regular classroom instructional program. Method is based on the fact that students learn association, activity and cooperation is known as, and options are demonstration, project, problem solving and discussion. The correct answer for this question is option number B, project. The project method is teacher-facilitated collaborative approach in which students acquire and apply knowledge and skill to define and solve realistic problems using a process of extended inquiry. At authoritarian level, teaching is, and options are teacher center, child center, headmaster center, and experience based. The correct answer of this question is option number A, teacher center. Authoritarian, this is teacher center approach because teacher have a high level of control over the classroom. इसमें से कौन सी टेस्ट कैरिड की जाती है to determine the ability of the learner? And options are aptitude, attitude, achievement, and scholastic. The correct answer of this question is option number A, aptitude. An aptitude test is an exam used to determine an individual propensity to success in a given activity. A time-bound testing program for students should be implemented in a school so that, and options are, the progress of the students should be informed to their parents, a regular practice can be carried out, the students can be trained for a final examination, the remedial program can be adopted on the basis of the feedback from the result. The correct answer of this question is option number D. The remedial program can be adopted on the basis of the feedback for the result. Essay type tests are not reliable because their answers are different, their results are different, their checking is affected by examiner mood, their responding styles are different. The correct answer is option number C. Their checking is affected by examiner's mood. Essay test is a test that requires a student to structure a rather long written response up to several paragraphs. A teacher can establish rapport with students by playing the role of guide who desire to help them, becoming the figure of authority, impressing the students with knowledge, implementing strict rules. So the correct answer of this question is option number A, playing the role of a guide who desire to help them. Summative evaluation is used for which of the following purpose? To monitor students' progress during the learning process, primarily to grade students, to find out what students' interests and work habit are, to assign students a specific learning. The correct answer is option number B, primarily to grade students. Summative evaluation or assessment of learning refer to the assessment of participant where the focus is on outcome of the program. Which of the following teachers' behavior suggests a dimension of unsuccessful teachers' behavior? A teacher who, and options are, always motivating students, business-like and friendly approach, aloof and focus on routine tasks, understanding and sympathetic. So the correct answer of this question is option number C, aloof and focus on routine tasks. नेशनल काउंसिल फॉर टीचर एजुकेशन का मेन एम क्या है? एंड ऑप्शंस आर टू ओपन कॉलेजेस ऑफ एजुकेशन, टू प्रमोट रिसर्च इन एजुकेशन, टू मेंटेन स्टैंडर्ड इन कॉलेज इन एजुकेशन, टू प्रोवाइड ग्रांट्स टू कॉलेज. इस क्वेश्चन का करेक्ट आंसर है ऑप्शन नंबर सी, टू मेंटेन स्टैंडर्ड इन कॉलेजेस इन एजुकेशन. National Council for Teacher Education is a statutory body of Indian government set up under the National Council for Teacher Education Act 1993. In 1995, it is a formally oversees standards, procedure and process in the Indian education system. Which one is the key aspect of modern teaching methods? Collaborative modern teaching, conceptual based modern teaching, use of PPTs, written notes. The correct answer of this question is option number A, collaborative modern teaching. The modern teaching method is a learner-centered and activity-based teaching method that used to get learner fully involved. This approach recognizes the learner as the primary reason for curriculum planning and teaching. Which of the following is more interactive and student-centric? And options are seminar, workshop, lecture and group discussion. The correct answer for this question is option number D, group discussion. A group discussion is a group of individuals typically who share a similar interest who gather either formally or informally to discuss ideas, solve problems or make comments. A college teacher will really help the student when she, and options are, dictate the notes in a class, is objective in her evaluation, encourage students to ask questions, cover the syllabus completely in class. The correct answer of this question is option number B, is objective in her evaluation. If the evaluation process is eliminated from the woman's life, then perhaps the aim of her life may be lost. Evaluation helps to build an education program, assess its achievement, It helps teacher and learner to improve teaching and learning. In brief, evaluation is very important requirement for the education system.